Are the apps on your phone helping you or hurting you? According to studies, the average person touches their phone 2,617 times every day and spends an average of 5 hours and 16 minutes on it. Gone are the days when phones were just for communication. They are now pocket-sized computers that allow us to scroll, text, shop, plan, and more. It's crucial to be intentional with how we use our phones and the apps we choose, as they can significantly impact our lives. The applications we download and the time we spend on them can either aid us in achieving our goals or distract us from them. The power of our phones. Let's face it, our phones have transformed into essential tools in our daily lives. Think about it. We use them to keep track of our schedules, capture memories, and even navigate our commutes. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must be mindful of how we use these devices, not just in terms of time, but also in terms of the apps we choose to install. These devices have the potential to improve productivity, facilitate communication, and provide endless knowledge at our fingertips. However, they can also lead to distraction, procrastination, and reduced face-to-face interactions if not used thoughtfully. Evaluating your apps. Have you ever stopped to consider whether the apps on your phone are truly helping you live your best life? Or are they just distractions? It's easy to get sucked into the endless notifications and updates, but remember, every app on your phone is there because you chose to download it. Some apps are undeniably useful, like those that help us navigate or connect with loved ones, but others can be time-sucking distractions that lead to poor decisions and increased stress. It's important to regularly evaluate which apps contribute positively to our lives and which ones detract from our overall well-being. Are social media apps stealing too much of your time? Or perhaps a game app is keeping you up late at night? How to use your phone more intentionally. Here are 5 practical steps to make sure your phone contributes to a more meaningful life. 1. Take inventory. Start by reviewing how much time you spend on each app. Decide whether each app is helping you live intentionally or not. You might be surprised by what you find. This step is crucial as it helps you understand your current usage patterns and identify areas for improvement. 2. Remove one app that doesn't align with your values. Identify one app that consistently wastes your time or adds stress and delete it. See how it affects your life and consider removing more if it feels right. This action can free up mental space and time for more fulfilling activities. 3. Make your home screen an encouraging place. Arrange your home screen to display apps that align with your values and goals. Move distracting apps to secondary screens to make them less accessible. A well-organized home screen can serve as a visual reminder of your priorities. 4. Do a little research on apps that support your goals. There are plenty of apps designed to help you achieve your goals, whether that's exercising more or learning a new skill. Find apps that support your aspirations and add them to your home screen. Utilizing such apps can transform your phone into a tool for personal growth. Number 5. Review your app choices regularly. Set a regular schedule to review your apps and decide which ones serve you best. This isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process to ensure your phone continues to serve your needs. Regular reviews help you stay aligned with your goals and adapt to any changes in your lifestyle. Conclusion. There's no denying the power of our phones in our lives. Most of us are probably reading this on a phone right now. Let's work together to make them tools that enhance our lives, not distract from them. By being intentional about the apps we choose to keep, we can ensure our phones are serving us, not the other way around. Embracing this mindful approach can lead to improved productivity, reduced stress, and a greater sense of balance in our daily lives. Let your phone be a catalyst for positive change, supporting you in achieving your aspirations and enhancing your overall quality of life. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.